Another issue in experimental research is the idea of validity. How valid is something? And when we talk about validity, there's usually two kinds of validity. Number one is internal validity and external. In internal validity, the question you ask is, how, within the experiment, if there are other reasons that the DV is seen to change. So that is idea, how good, how internally strong is the idea that your experiment was well run and that there's no outside variables that cause these factors. External validity is the idea that how well your experiment maps onto the real world experience. I'll talk about these two separately. First, internal. So this is the basic idea that you want in your study. You manipulate your IV, You manipulate your IV, and that leads to changes in the DV. Nothing else matters, right? I raise the heat, you guys react more violently. I make you watch more violent TV, you react more aggressively. This is the internal logic of your experiment. This is what you want to prove. However, sometimes you have other variables that come in that affect the outcome of your study. I'll give you this quick example back to the teasing we did in the last class. So maybe you ran half of the sessions in the morning and half of them in the evening, and so same thing here, in the teasing and no conditions. So sometimes you run them at night, sometimes you run them in the morning, but they're spread equally here, spread equally well here, no problem.